If you have issues with mobile data not working properly on Xiaomi 17, let me show you what you can do to try to solve this issue. First and foremost, we're gonna go to settings. Then over here you want to proceed to more connectivity options, and then in here we have this option that allows you to reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks, and the Bluetooth settings. Unfortunately, you cannot really separate it, so if you decide to reset these settings, you will reset all of these three at once. So this also means that, for example, all your Wi-Fi networks and all your Bluetooth devices are going to be removed from your phone, so you will need to connect to these networks or to your Bluetooth devices again. And if you decide to reset, then of course just go ahead and tap on this option at the bottom of the screen. And also, if you have two SIMs on your phone active, then you can choose which SIM you want to reset. So of course you want to reset, in that case, the one that you use for mobile data. Now, if you still have issues with the mobile data not working properly, we're gonna go to mobile networks over here. Actually, scratch that before we move on. Two things that I have to mention. The first one is VPN. Keep in mind that if you use some sort of like a VPN, then it might be the reason why you have issues with the connectivity. There can be like connectivity issues with the VPN. So what you might want to do is simply try to turn it off temporarily and see if that helps. If it helps, then of course that's great. If not, then we can move on to the next step. And another thing that I wanted to mention is, once again, in more connectivity options, and that is the private DNS. If you made some changes in here, if you applied a private DNS provider hostname, then of course in this case you want to simply switch it back to automatic. That will be the best solution. And if these two options still didn't help, then of course another thing that you can do is go to mobile networks. And if you do have two SIMs active, then you want to make sure that the correct SIM is selected, of course. But another thing that you might want to consider is, of course, the mobile data option itself. If it's deactivated, then naturally you will not have access to mobile data. So you just want to make sure that you enabled the option. Now, besides that, another thing that we want to go through is your SIM card settings or eSIM settings. And if you disable 5G, then you might want to turn it back on. Like over here, if we go to preferred network type, then over here we should be able to make sure that 5G is enabled. So make sure that it is enabled. If you turn it off, at least temporarily, of course, just like with the VPN, to see if that helps. And now, if 5G was not the reason why you don't have the mobile data, then of course you might want to simply try to contact your operator or service provider and ask them if there's like some sort of like an issue with the with their service and with the signal or something, because of course there is a chance that there are some issues with the signal itself. There might be some server outages and stuff like that. So of course just make sure that that is not the case. You can of course contact them, or you can try to Google the information about any outages of your operator to see if that's really the case. And that is pretty much all we can do in order to try to solve issues with the mobile data. Ideally, or most likely, the reset of the Wi-Fi, mobile networks, and Bluetooth should do the work, but in some cases you might want to go through these additional options in mobile networks over here. And also you can just simply reboot your phone. This can be quite helpful as well. A simple reboot or restart of the phone sometimes resets also some issues with the mobile networks, or just resets mobile network in general, and it might actually solve your issues. So you can try that out as well. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.